streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank bros, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You selling work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, making give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Nah. Alright, what's up, guys? Today we are teaching this man right here.
What's good?
How to ride a clutch dirt bike, and you guys can learn too. Stay along the way. So let's jump right into it. First thing is, this is your clutch. This is your gear, your shifter. This is the throttle.
This is the back brake right here.
Rear brake.
Front brake.
Front brake.
Don't you never touch this?
You touch it, but you're not gonna go flying, right? And then just go straight into a corner.
No, you go.
Yeah, you'll slide the front end out.
Yeah, fuck that.
Yeah. All right. So when you want to stop, or when you want to brake, really, you mainly use this one. So you do know how to like foot brake it.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't want to fall down the hill.
Let's just get right into it, I guess. This is your start.
All right.
This is the kill switch.
Kill.
God forbid anything bad happens, you
just press it.
Grab onto the throttle a lot, and you're like flying, pulling the clutch right away.
Okay.
And don't let go until you stop.
All right.
And then as you're pulling in the clutch, if anything happens, hit the rear brake and you'll just stop.
Okay. This is a weird question, but like, if you're shifting gears and you're like third, fourth, fifth, or something like that, can you just foot brake it off that, or do you have to shift down?
You have to downshift, because the bike will stall out. It'll be like boop 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 boop,
and then fucking, so you kick it up to shift up, right?
Yeah.
And then you have to do it with the clutch too.
So down one is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. There's 5 gears.
And then what if you lose count? How do you know? You
just shift down the first, and then like, I don't know, that's what I do. I like shift down the first and then like get back to where I need to be. You know what I mean? Alright. Clutch in.
Press it down once?
No. Pull in the clutch first.
Okay. Press down?
Press down once. Now, pull the light, let go of the clutch easily, and really light throttle.
Oh, shit.
Close, you got it.
Alright.
You get in it.
Did I clutch it?
Alright. Now we're in neutral. I'm going to show you guys how to do it.
Dude, it's pissing
We're on a little bit higher of a surface, so you just give it a little bit more gas, not a lot.
Okay, so I just press this one. Do you have the clutch when you start
it? It's this one. Yeah, pull in the clutch when you start it. Almost. You're slipping the clutch.
The thing is, I think that's when I think it's like ready to go.
Yeah, you think it's ready to go, but like you gotta let it out all the way. Oh, you almost had it.
That's better than last time. Okay.
It's all good.
Oh, shit.
You just gotta gas a little, the slightest bit.
I know, but when that rev scares the fuck out of me.
Yeah, I know. Okay. It definitely does.
Man.
Clutch.
What? So what? I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. I'm letting, like, when it feels like it's done, I feel like.
I hold mine like right there, and then I just do.
Are you still moving with the thing on your finger?
What?
Like,
yeah, it moves a little bit when it's not all the way out.
That's probably what the issue is. Okay.
A little bit. A little more. Yeah. You were right there, I'm telling you.
I still had it on the fingers though. That's the problem I don't understand. Not enough gas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
that was the longest one yet.
Right there.
I gotta watch you one.
You put your feet up way too early.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once it starts going, then
once
you
it
put
starts
your
going?
feet
Okay.
up. Straighten it out. Go a little more. Back up a little bit. You don't need to do all that. Pull it back.
I thought it was gonna lock.
See, a little bit more gas.
Okay. I'm just scared, dude. The only thing in my head is thinking I'm
Yeah,
just
oh yeah.
fucking like
No,
this.
no. I definitely understand that.
Okay. Whew. You got the time by any chance?
Let's go! Yes! You got it! Alright, next goal we're going for?
The tire.
Pass that tire. Yeah.
Because I was so concerned of not letting this go, I probably didn't do enough of this. So just
Start it? Yeah.
like that.
Like you don't even need to you just lightly hit the gas. Like I didn't hit the gas because like I got it on the clutch, right?
Yeah.
But just lightly hit the gas.
Hold on, I'm gonna try without the gas, or
Yeah, you can.
very
You can do
super
that. You can
little,
do that.
just so I can get the clutch right now.
Yeah.